Uncle Bobby, my darling, I saw your Mother's Day video, Fortuner versus Everest, eh? You say Fortuners is for moms with water bottles, tights and gossip breath. Leave them. I want to talk about that 3.2 Ford Everest. Now that's a car for a woman who's tired of school WhatsApp groups and diet shakes. I smoke, I swear, I reverse without looking, and I don't make threats, Bobby, I make announcements. That Everest better growl like a dad on a rugby field, and when I step in that beast, Uncle Bobby, the whole world must know this ain't no mummy wagon, it's a war machine. I want that Everest to idle like it smokes itself. And if someone tells me to calm down, I throw it in 4x4 and drive over their feelings. So listen here, my angel. If you show me a Everest without that 3.2 growl, I'm pulling up cash in hand, but I want it parked right in front of Checkers, my name on the dashboard and a fuck you on the tow bar. Shotix 8.
This is not the lady that drives this car. This lady probably smokes cigarettes and tells her kids, moenie die ander kinders bliksem nie.